Hello, I'm Shane Farr, an audio-video specialist, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Wi-Fi and Ethernet on the PlayStation 3. To set up the Ethernet connection for your PlayStation 3, there are two different ways you can do it. One, through an Ethernet connection located on the back of the PlayStation here, and the second is to use a Wi-Fi connection connected to your wireless router. To connect your PlayStation 3 to an Ethernet connection, take an Ethernet cable and plug it into the Ethernet port located on the back of your PlayStation 3. A small light on the back of the PlayStation will start showing you activity. If the light does not come on, then either you do not have a connection to your router or your PlayStation 3 system settings have not been configured for the Ethernet. Now let's go to the system settings to set it up to use an Ethernet or wired connection. To set up the Ethernet connection for the PlayStation 3, go to the Settings icon, scroll down to Network Settings, and then press X. Scroll down to the Internet Connection Settings and press X. This screen will inform you that if you are making a wired connection, that you must have an Ethernet cable connected to your PlayStation 3. Press down on your analog stick to select Custom, and then press right with the analog stick. We are choosing a wired connection, so press right with your analog stick. From this screen forward, we will be selecting the top options for an auto setup. If you have manual settings for your particular network, this is where you would go into those options. Press right on your analog stick to continue setup. Here's a summary of the settings we have selected for our Ethernet connection or a wired connection for our PlayStation 3. Press X to save the settings. Now press X again to test your connection. The test is completed successfully. To connect your PlayStation 3 to the Internet using a wireless connection, go to the Settings icon, scroll down to Network Settings and press X. Scroll to Internet Connection Settings and press X. Press X to select OK. Press down with your analog stick so that Custom is highlighted, and then press right on the analog stick. Scroll down to Wireless and then press right to continue the setup. On this screen, you will be able to either scan for all available wireless connections, to enter in your connection manually, or to use an automatic connection. We are going to choose the scan option. Select your wireless connection from the list that is displayed and press X to continue setup. Press X to enter in the name of your wireless router, and then press right on your analog stick to continue setup. Select the security settings for your wireless connection, and then press right to continue setup. Press X to enter your security key for your wireless connection. Using the analog stick on your controller, select the letters and/or numbers for your security key for your wireless connection. Press X to select the key. Now select Start to accept the key. With your security key entered, now press right to continue the wireless setup. For the rest of the screens, you will choose the top option until we reach the summary page. Press right to continue setup. This is the summary page for your wireless connection. Please verify the information is correct and press X to accept and save the settings. Now press X to test the connection. The connection is completed successfully. You are now connected to the internet with your PlayStation 3. Again, I'm Shane Farr, and I've just shown you how to set up Wi-Fi and Ethernet on your PlayStation 3.